Okay. Ricardo said that I should play Subway Surfers, so I'm playing it. Breaking ankles. But you trains even have ankles? Yeah, they have wheels. Yeah, break them wheels. Nah, both feel like Spider-Man. Huh? Hey, I'm Spider-Man. 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 Ah! Yeah, Spider-Man. Yeah, did you know that Spider-Man can also break ankles? Yeah, that's a fact. I'm the next Spider-Man because I be breaking wheels. I've been breaking trained wheels off. I've been breaking their ankles. Okay, but actually, one and then hit them with that. Yeah, and also shout out Ricardo and islombek for telling me to play Subway Surfers. And shout out Iman, my friend for 4 years, for telling me to play this music that I'm playing right here. I forgot it in the last video, sorry Iman. Yes, I jump and then I walk and then I hit them with that, and then I die.